Are you looking to buy or sell a home in Central Florida? If you are, this video is for you. My name is Amy Brown. I'm a realtor here in the Orlando area. So if you're looking to buy or sell in the Orlando area, please don't hesitate to reach out. I would love to assist you. Now let's take a look at what happened in September 2025, looking at the Central Florida market, and then I'm going to dive deeper into some of the local markets. So let's get started. Mortgage rates across Central Florida, the 30-year fixed mortgage rates have been hovering around 6.2% throughout early October 2025. Meanwhile, lenders here in Florida are quoting 30-year fixed rates in the 6.7 ballpark, and that's for those with less than perfect credit or other risk factors. What does it mean for buyers and sellers in the 34787 zip code? Buyers in this zip code are looking to lock in rates somewhere between 6.2 and 6.8, depending on their credit, down payment, and lender spreads. This is another reason new construction is so attractive, because builders are buying down the interest rates. This higher rate environment means that mortgage payments are steep. So affordability is under real pressure, as it has been for quite a while, and it makes the negotiation margin even tighter for sellers too. Buyers have less room to stretch upward, and sellers have less room to hold firm. So that's why today's smart sellers in Central Florida are pricing realistically, they are offering incentives, and they are fixing minor issues up front. Because in a 6 to 7% mortgage rate world, you negotiate less with charm and more with math. Now let's get into some details. Now let's talk about Waterleigh Townhomes, located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787. 5 townhomes sold in Waterleigh in September of 2025. 4 of those were new construction and 1 existing townhome sold. So you can see that new construction sales in Waterleigh are really brisk. The townhome that sold was located on Pontoon. The Pontoon listing was initially listed at $420,000. This listing had 4 price reductions before going under contract and selling for $395,000. It took 51 days for this townhome to obtain a contract. The notes in the MLS say that there was a seller credit of $11,850, which is most likely the seller paying a 3% commission to the buyer's agent, although it doesn't specify. There are 13 active townhome listings in Waterleigh, so if you are looking for a townhome, you have a lot of options. There are 6 new construction townhomes and 7 existing townhomes. Of the 7 listings, you have the days on the market all over the place. You have a townhome with 5 days on the market, and then you have 3 listings that are over 100 days on the market. There are 2 existing townhome listings that are pending and set to go to closing. Now let's put up some charts and see if we can look at any trends. The existing townhome median sale price, these all have a small sample size because so few townhomes are going to closing. So for example, last month 0 in August, this month 1, and the sale price was $395. So that's really been steady. The sale prices, as you can see from the start of the year all the way through the end of September, are really much in line with each other. So if you're a seller, this is good news. If you're a buyer, you're probably hoping that the sale prices come down even further. The Waterleigh existing townhome days to get a contract, again, small sample size, so take this for what it's worth. 51 days for the townhome on Pontoon to get a contract. In July, we had 133 days. I think that was an anomaly due to the small sample size. So realistically, what you can expect is probably more 30 to 40 days if you're listing your townhome for sale in Waterleigh. The Waterleigh existing townhome sales, you see here September, 1 existing townhome went to closing, 0 in August. April, May, June, we had 3 each month. So that is really what we are looking for. The 0 in August and the 1 in September is a bit sleepy. I think that many buyers, because of interest rates, are leaning toward the new construction homes versus the existing townhomes. That's what these numbers tell me. Looking at the Waterleigh existing townhome inventory, there are 7 existing townhomes for sale currently. That's up from last month, but that's been pretty steady the entire year. March, there were 11. But this inventory is on the high side. If you want to look back to what happened last fall, September, October, November, we were looking at 3 homes on the market. So inventory is definitely up. So if you're a buyer, there is a chance that you will find a motivated seller and you can get a really good deal. If you have specific questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'd love to speak with you. Thanks for watching.